At Boomerang Healthcare, we are dedicated to restoring hope and returning health in every individual we serve. We believe healing is a partnership, empowering patients with the support of compassionate experts. Every decision we make is guided by our commitment to restoring physical health while instilling a renewed sense of confidence and well-being in our patients. We're passionate about ensuring access to the highest standards of healthcare. Our extensive group of physicians and specialists offer treatment options personalized for every patient, combining advanced procedures and holistic programs to maximize recovery and improve quality of life. Every patient has a unique story, and we are proud to provide innovative treatments alongside compassionate support. With our growing network of clinics, we are committed to enhancing accessibility to care. Our personalized approach addresses the mind, body, and spirit to ensure a comprehensive recovery journey.
We provide exceptional, patient-centered care that promotes health, compassion, and innovation. Rooted in the core value of knowledge, empathy, and respect, we ensure that every patient feels heard and understood. Our collaborative approach focuses on working closely with the patients to develop personalized treatment plans. By integrating cutting-edge medical advancements and evidence-based practices, we offer the most effective and progressive care available. We provide a range of integrated services, from conservative treatments such as acupuncture and chiropractic to minimally invasive injections and surgeries. We specialize in advanced rehabilitation services, including functional restoration, traumatic brain injury care, and trauma recovery, providing the tools to rebuild both body and spirit. As leaders in the field, we are driven by a profound sense of responsibility and commitment to the well-being of our patients and community at large. With unwavering dedication in both excellence and compassion, we uphold these values and continue advancing the standard of care. Together, we are not just treating patients, we are building a healthier future, one individual at a time.